can see that I've got the Dell 19-inch flat screen monitor here. I'm going to mount this on the wall following similar directions to the one that the original poster used, with some minor differences. First I'm going to show you the monitor here. You can see that it's the standard Dell stand. That's on the back there. I'm going to open it up here. See, it snaps right off. And what you should be able to see here is the square panel where the mount goes in. Of course, here's the mount. You see here it's got these tabs that stick up. I had the thought today, instead of using the CD-ROM case as the original poster used, to use picture hangers, as they're rated for 50 to 100 pounds. Here's the kind that I'm talking about. Picked these up at the hardware store for $2. This is the 50-pound variety. I went ahead and got the 100-pound variety, and I made a change. You can see here on the smaller one that they're bent. It has a head on it there. Well, on this one I took a pair of needle nose pliers and pulled that off, and it mounted pretty flush on the wall. To give you an idea. It looks pretty good on there. Behind the monitor, what I had to do to get this sucker on the wall was actually pretty simple. It's not very pretty, but you can see here that I measured off the wall, marked it. There's a mark. There's one. There's one. I ran into some issues here with my measurements due to these anchors mounting in the wall there. It's pretty ugly, but you get the idea. I missed the stud a couple times and had to kind of rearrange things. But it is nice and level. So it goes up just like this. That's it. And there you go. It hangs right on the wall and looks pretty good.